All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to build out project number 27, which is going to be Adobe Audition Basics. So let's go to learntechprojectfiles.com, click on Adobe After Effects 2022 projects, and go down to project number 27, Adobe Audition 2022 Basics. Let that file download, go to After Effects, and let's create a new project, file, save as, and we're going to go to Documents, Projects, and we're going to label this with a new folder, 27, project number 27, dash Adobe Audition 2022 Basics. Command A to select all, Command C to copy, and then let's label this project that same thing, hit save, and we're ready to roll. Go to our Downloads folder, bring this over to Documents, and then go from there and bring it into Projects and drop it down in Projects. Okay. I'm going to double click on the zip file to uncompress it. We have introduction, we have benefits, what you will learn, students, requirements, thank you, that, and I don't have a promo video. Really? No problem. I'm going to go to the Adobe XD. Yeah, we'll go to Adobe XD. Go to project number 26 and just copy this file over. I don't know why there's no video, but that's fine. So we'll paste that in. And what I'll do is I'll copy this and label this the same. Okay. All we really need it there for is we need footage, okay, of anything. It does not really matter what it is because we're learning about how to composite the graphics with the video. Okay, that's really the key to this. So I'm going to select all this and bring it in, and we will bring the movie in. I will lock it. Then I'm going to bring all these graphics in. Okay. And we're going to be working kind of fast in this project for one reason, because we've been doing so many of these. We got it down now. So I'm going to highlight all these, click, and do like that. And then I'm going to drop it over here. Bring this over to 5 seconds. And then we'll go like this. Okay. And really what I want to show you is when you're doing a template style project that you've been doing a couple times, you get really fast at it, really good at it. And that's what repetition is all about. So we'll drop this at 5 seconds. Okay, and then we'll drop it again. And then we'll shrink it down to 45 seconds, drop in the logo, and we're done. And we're going to do this 2 more times. Okay. Now we probably have to add the video in there because I don't know if the videos are missing in the other ones as well. They shouldn't have been, but maybe I was asleep when I was adding the project files. I don't know, but we'll work with it and we'll make it work. So there you go. That's the Adobe Audition Basics promo video. And we've done it quickly and efficiently. So great job. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.